Welcome to the online English British Tutor Reading Simple Sentences tutorial. Watch the tutorial first and listen carefully to the sounds that I make when reciting the words. Watch it again and copy the way I say it. Please practice a few times and you will surely improve. I see a brown bear. I see a blue bird. I see the red crab. England is a great country. We see an apple. The cat is scary. Canada is a rich country. The fireman yelled. The park was dirty. Blue is my favourite colour. Thank you for watching and learning the British way of speaking English. Please like my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share with family and friends.